Right, that's it, had enough, out you come, out. Get rid of you. Yeah, get rid of you. Sick of strawberries. Here I've got my strawberry bed. They've stopped flowering for now, but what they do tend to do is try to put flowers out later on in the year in September. And it's a race for the frosts to see if they can ripen. The frosts always win, so I never get that second flourish. But these have been in for 7 years now. I've got my new ones coming on. I've got half a bed full of new plants for next year, and I've got a whole load of plants in the greenhouse that'll fill the other half the bed, and it's time to get these out. So I'll clear this bed and I'll show you the plants that I'm going to be keeping. These 5 plants, or actually 6 plants, are actually all one plant. You look at this, you can see this thick gnarly wood-like stem. That's the underground roots that grew from the original plant and created all these little baby plants, but they're all still connected via that root. So that's what happens when you leave a strawberry in for years. It makes this horrible thick, really thick root system, and the productivity of these have been dropping down. This year the entire bed just given away just enough to manage on a day-to-day basis, not enough to do things like jams and stuff, or to give away, which we usually do. So yeah, that is the root system from what was one plant, and each of these can be planted out and regrown and sort of like revitalise them. I've changed my mind. I'm not going to bother saving any of them. The roots are just so gnarly. I don't need to. I've already got my strawberries for next year, and it's a bit late to find out if I could have got two crops out of them. So once I can get to the compost bins, because at the minute there's a wasp nest in them, I'm currently trying to flood that out. So I'll get all this in there, get a bit of compost on this bed if I can, and I will get some broad beans into here. Okay, and I'll see you on the next video.